It is 3:30 in the afternoon, and I'm doing my makeup. So today we're going to be trying some new makeup that I ordered during the holidays and I wasn't able to try in Florida. Obviously, if you follow the first channel, which is my reaction channel, I'll put it somewhere on the screen. I was not able to record inside my house because my family is very loud. So we're recording here only today because everyone I live with moves back in tomorrow because I plan everything super well. So today we're going to be trying the Colourpop Strawberry Shake palette. It's really cute. We're also going to be using this little transforming lip gloss thing called Blossom that I got from Five Below, so super affordable. We're going to be trying the Cover FX setting powder. I've never used a setting powder in my life. And we're going to be trying the Becca concealer. We're going to be trying the, I believe this is the Becca highlighter as well, because I've heard really great things about Becca highlighters. And then I'm also trying the Kylie Jenner lip kit and Kylie Jenner blush, because I really want to understand why these got popular in the first place. So let's just get right into this video. First, we're going to be using the Becca concealer under my eyes. I've been sleeping a lot because I got my booster. You can still see the bandage mark. But I got my booster 2 days ago, and yesterday I was dying, as assumed. So, hopefully this is a good color match for me. So it looks like this can actually sit on your skin for a little while. I know when I use my BH Cosmetics concealer, which I probably have somewhere around this room, that it dries pretty quickly after you put it under your eyes, so it's kind of a go, go, go situation. But this one, it seems to give you a little bit of time to collect yourself, which is nice, so you don't have to be in kind of like a rush. Also, is it scented or is that just my room? Not sure. Right, so this is the concealer. I do think you can see a little bit of like color, like discoloration between the concealer and my skin tone. It's not bad because no one's looking at my face this close. Like, no one. So no one will be able to tell. So I don't really mind it. I think it's kind of nice. Now we're going to be trying this setting powder. Again, I've never really used a setting powder, so I'm kind of curious as to how this is going to work. So this is just like the Cover FX one. I got it in Translucent Deep because I thought that made sense for my skin tone. But again, anyone with, you know, more uses can tell me if that is wrong. And I'm using this brush that I usually use for bronzer. Again, if you are someone who uses setting powders a lot, let me know. And a whole lot of this came off. So I think people, when they do it, they just kind of do this under their eyes. And they just like brush it on. And then typically I see a lot of them when they do setting powders or bake. It's kind of baking your face, right? So you, like, they let it sit there and then they wipe it off later in their videos. Alright, so next, let's take a little break from under our eyes and let's use the strawberry eyeshadow palette. It's so cute. So I bought this palette and then I was like, you have another pink palette. Why would you do this to yourself? So, you know, if I don't like this one, at least I still have my Juvia's Place pink palette as something else I can use. But it's hilarious to me that I bought another pink palette and then realized I own like 20 pink palettes. Alright, so this is the Color Story. Again, super pink. There's a little bit of orangey I can use, so I guess it's not the exact same, but when I tell you this shade, and this shade are all in the Juvia's palette, they're all in the Juvia's palette. So again, why? So I'll try to use not those colors. So first we're going to use Paper Straw, which is going to be super neutral on my skin tone, and then we'll use a little bit of daiquiri, and then we'll use a topper right over here called Berry Fine. Okay, so the one that I thought, this one, Paper Straw, that I thought would be really close to my skin tone is actually not too badly pigmented. It is super light still, obviously, as you can see them on my eyes, but it doesn't have that much of kind of like invisible on my skin, which is good. So if you are someone of my skin tone, you can still use this palette, which is great. We love to see it. I know that Colourpop sometimes struggles with that from other reviewers that I've watched, so I'm happy to see that I can still see this color on my eyes. Now let's go into Strawberry Daiquiri and deepen out our eye. Honestly, I haven't done a makeup video in over a year. I've been really focused on the reaction channel, hence why I decided it was just better to make the second channel. I feel like a lot of people who are subscribed to my original channel really are there for the reactions, and so having this more calm, lifestyle-y channel is going to be really nice, just because it'll help me have something to come to relax and not feel like I need to be up to date with music and really live my best life. So right now I'm just going back in with Paper Straw because Daiquiri is actually super pigmented. It's not as deep as I wanted it to be, unfortunately, because as you can see in the pan, it's a little darker. It shows up closer to a red, whereas on my eyes it just shows up as a hot pink, which is kind of unfortunate, but I like it. It's just I wish it was a little bit more red because I really love red eyeshadow. Alright, as you can see, I have no idea what I'm doing anymore. So we're going to dip into my milkshake over here and use that to blend between the hot pink and our very light neutral shade. Alright, I think we're at a point where I should probably wipe away. Yes, wipe away. What is this? The setting powder? So I guess you do this, is what I see a lot of YouTubers do. Yeah, I don't know what it does. It feel like, honestly, I think it's probably if you have very creased under eyes, this is really helpful, but again, don't know. I don't use things like that. Alright, so now we're just going to use my finger and dip into Berry Fine. And we're going to put that right in the center of our eyes. Alright, so this one, what do you think? I hate this look. I know I hate this eye look, but one thing I know about myself is eyeliner always saves a look. And luckily, I brought my favorite eyeliner to Boston, so I can save this look. But this is definitely kind of like the worst eyeshadow I've ever done. Love that for us. We love that for us. It's really showing growth. Alright, so let's go in now, and we're going to go in with the Kylie Jenner blush. And this one, I'm not really sure how I'm going to like the blush. I mainly bought it because I was like, since I'm getting a whole bunch of new makeup to try, and I'm kind of a blush girl, why not try another brand's blush? My go-to blush that I always use is probably the ones from Beauty Bakery. So this shade does not look the most promising. This shade does not look promising for someone of my skin tone. And I might just give this to one of my fair skinned friends, because this doesn't look. I think we're done. Okay, great. Love that. We're just gonna use the residue on this cheek. We're really just gonna buff that off of my face. Good. So we're just gonna give that to one of my fair skin friends. I'm gonna use Strawberry Shake palette, and we're gonna just dip into my milkshake right here, and we're gonna use that as our blush because this was not wow, Wow. Well, I literally thought I bought a darker shade of blush too from the Kylie store. Apparently I didn't. Or they just sent me the wrong shade. But you know, whatever, it's fine. We live and learn. And we use eyeshadow as blush. But yeah, not for me. If you're very fair, could be good for you. I will be giving this to one of my friends who are significantly more fair than me, because this was not for me. This was not made for me, and I will accept that. Up next, we're going to be using the Kylie Jenner lip kit. And this came with a lip liner, and it came with a lip gloss. You did see that I do have a color changing lip gloss, so I will be using my color changing Five Below lipstick before I use the Kylie Jenner lip liner. Ooh, look! It's so pretty. Okay. So these are my chapped lips right now. Okay. Don't judge them. Thank you. That's so cute. It's definitely not the most color changing ever. Like, it just made my lips like a soft pink. But my lips are already pink. So it doesn't do much, but it smells so nice. And it's just aesthetically beautiful. And it feels like a lip gloss, but it doesn't have like the tackiness of a lip gloss. So I will be using this because this is like a lip balm. And I kind of like it though. Especially for college and you're someone who doesn't want to look dramatic with like all your makeup and hair and stuff. I think this is for sure a good way to go. So highly recommend if you are someone like that. And Five Below, so super inexpensive. Love that. Kylie Lip Kit lip liner. All right, I'm not a lip liner girl, so don't judge how bad this line is about to look. I'll give it this. It's super smooth, definitely not my color, but again, that's what we learned about a lot of things today from the Kylie Jenner collection for me, didn't we? So this is the lip color. It's a little bit more neutral, so maybe it'll look better with this. Wow. Wowie, wow, wow, wow. Wowie, wow, wow, wow. Not for me. I look better like this. If I stay like this, I think I look great. Good. Yeah, so the Kylie products are just not for me. I don't know if it's the color matches or me. But if you're someone who wants this color, I have it in the shade Autumn 505 Matte. I will probably never use this again. So we're just gonna put this back in its packaging. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these, something like this, but I'm definitely just gonna stay with my color changing lip balm. So I will wipe this off at the end of the video, but let's actually get into our last new product of the day, which is this Becca highlighter. What? Look at it! It's so cute! Wait, ready? And then when you open it, oh my gosh, it is so cute. It is so cute. I love her. I hope she looks good on me. She is a little bit more silver than I thought she'd be. I thought it'd be a little bit more gold reflective. It looks like when I went shopping this day, I just had a very bad color match day, honestly. Like, we're gonna be so real. Also, I've had the lip product on for a little while now. Like 2 minutes. My lips feel very dry. Very dry. Very like you need some water. Like patched. Like you can probably see the dry skin on my lips just popping up. It's the lips for me. It's really the lips for me. So I'm gonna wipe off these lips and I'm gonna put on my lip balm, do my eyeliner, and come back with some final thoughts. All right, and you see what I mean? Like, eyeliner just really brings everything together. I used my favorite eyeliner today. This is the Rare Beauty eyeliner. This is the easiest eyeliner I use. It's literally like just holding a pen, whoop, and just swoop it on, and it's so easy, and I can just head out the door. Highly recommend, if you're someone who hates eyeliner, that you try the Rare Beauty one, because it's so nice. It's like such a normal holding feel for like pens, and I just really like it. So this is our final look for the day. I'm literally not going out at all, so I guess I'll shoot some videos tonight. But yeah, if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I will be doing a lot of fashion-based content on this channel. The next video is going to be my new fashion style. Since the end of 2020, I've been buying new pieces. My wardrobe sense has changed a lot, especially with my weight loss journey that I'm currently on, and I'm really excited to show you all what my new outfits are gonna be and tailor them to show you some K-pop outfits, celebrity outfits, and how you can wear them as a size. I'm like size 13, 14 right now, but I could still wear size 16 jeans if they're high-waisted. So pretty decent, I feel like middle of the road weight spectrum if you're someone who isn't lower than a size 12. So I hope for those of you who want to have a similar sense of style that I'm creating will really like this. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!